In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a passkey in Binance security settings. Passkeys are one of the most secure ways to protect your Binance account because they use your device's built-in biometrics like Face ID or Touch ID instead of passwords, making your account much harder to compromise. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Passkeys are currently added through the mobile app, so this is important. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the app. This opens your account and security options. Next, tap on Security. This is where Binance manages all protection features like two-factor authentication, devices, and login methods. Inside the security menu, look for Passkeys, Biometrics, and tap on it. This section allows you to create and manage passkeys linked to your device. Now tap Add Passkey. Binance will guide you through the setup process. At this stage, your device will prompt you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's biometric method. Depending on your device, Binance may also give you the option to store the passkey using iCloud Keychain or another trusted device or password manager. Follow the on-screen prompts and approve the creation. Once completed, your passkey will be successfully added to your Binance account. From now on, you can use biometric authentication instead of typing passwords when logging in, making your account faster to access and far more secure. And that's it. You've successfully added a passkey to your Binance security settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.